Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to unfollow deactivated accounts on Instagram. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and log in if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner to go to your profile page. From your profile, tap on the followers option at the top of the screen to view your followers. At the top of the list, you'll see a categories section. Under these categories, tap on Deactivated Accounts. Here, you'll find a list of accounts that follow you but have either deleted or deactivated their profiles. To remove them from your followers list, simply tap Remove next to their name. After confirming, the account will be unfollowed and removed from your followers list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.